Hello students, welcome to the session of multiplication and division of fractions. First, I am going to explain multiplication of fractions. In this multiplication of fractions, we have three types. The first one is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number, multiplication of a mixed fraction to a whole number, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. The first one, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. To multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction and keeping the denominator same. For example, 3 into 1 by 8. First, we have to multiply the whole number with numerator. What is the answer? 3 into 1, 3. Keeping the denominator same, that is 8. Okay. The next one, multiplication of a mixed fraction to a whole number. Mixed fraction is given. So first we have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then we have to multiply. For example, 1 into 2 by 3 into 6. First we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer? 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 by 3 into 6. Then we have to multiply the whole number with the numerator. So 5 6 are 30 divided by 3. Now we have to cancel the values. 3 1s are 3 10s are. So the answer is 10. Okay. Next one, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction means we have to multiply both numerators and denominators. Okay. So 3 by 5 into 2 by 9. 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 9, 45. That's all. Multiplication of fractions. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. The first problem, 7 into 3 by 5. Actually, multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So, we have to multiply the whole number with the numerator and keeping the denominator same. Okay. So, 7 into 3 by 5. 7 3s are 21. 21 by 5. How can we convert the normal fraction into mixed fraction? First, we have to divide the number. 21 by 5. 5 4s are 20. So, the balance 21 minus 21. So, we have to choose the denominator value for denominator only. Next, we have a quotient value and the remainder value. Quotient value we have to write in the whole number part. And the remainder value we have to write in the numerator. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. Okay. The next problem, 11 into 4 by 7. So we have to multiply the numerator with the whole number. 11 into 4 by 7. 11 4s are 44 by 7. Divide the value 44 using the number 7. Actually, how can we divide the value? 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. So 4 minus 2, 2. Again we have to write the denominator value for denominator same. Then we have to use the quotient for whole number part. Then we have to use the remainder value in the numerator. Now we have to check 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2, 44 by 7. Okay. The next one, 20 into 4 by 5. 20 into 4 by 5. So 24s are, what is the answer? 80 by 5. We have to cancel the values because 5 1s are 5. Balance 3, 30. 5 6 are 30. 16 by 1 is our answer. We have to write as 16. Okay. The next problem, multiply a fraction by a fraction. 1 by 5 into 2 by 7 is our question. We have to multiply the numerators directly, then denominators also directly. So 1 into 2 by 5 into 7. So 1 2s are 2, 5 7s are 35. This is actually proper fraction because numerator is less than its denominator. Okay. Next one, 2 by 5 into 4 by 9. 2 into 4 by 5 into 9. We have to multiply the numerators directly, then denominator also directly. So 2 4s are 8, 5 9s are 45. Numerator is less than its denominator, so it is also proper fraction. The next problem, 1 by 2 of 24 and 46. What is the meaning of actually? Of indicates multiplication only. So what is our first question? 1 by 2 of 24, that is into 24. So directly we have to use cancellation method. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So 12 into 1, the answer is 12. Second subdivision, 1 by 2 of 46. Again cancellation only. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So the answer is 23. Okay. The next problem, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Of indicates multiplication only. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Multiply the numerator directly, denominator also directly. So 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 4, 16. Second subdivision, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So into 3 by 5. 1 into 3, 3, 4 5s are 20. Next problem. Multiply 2 by 5 into 5 into 1 by 4. This is actually multiplication of a fraction by a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means first we have to convert into improper fraction. Then only we have to multiply. So our question is 2 by 5 into. We have to convert the mixed fraction into improper. So first we have to multiply the denominator value with the whole number part. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 by 4. Directly multiply the numerators. 2 into 21 by 5 into 4, 20. So 21 2s are 42. 42 by 20. So this is actually what kind of fraction? Improper fraction. So 42 we have to divide using the number 20. 22s are 40. So the balance is 2. How can we write? Same denominator, we have to use the denominator part only. Quotient and remainder same number. So we have to write here 2, numerator also 2. 22s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42 by 20. Then, which is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. We have to compare these two fractions, then we have to tell which is greater. First, 2 by 7 of means into 3 by 4. So multiply the numerator directly. 2 3s are 6. 7 4s are 28. This is our first value. The next value, 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 3 5s are 15. 5 8s are 40. How can we tell which value is greater? Because the 6 by 28, 15 by 40. We can't compare the values. When the numerator or denominator values are equal, that time only we have to compare the numerator values. Here one value is 6 by 28. Another value is 15 by 40. So first we have to take LCM for 28 and 40. So choose the number least number 2. 2 14s are, 2 20s are. Again choose the number 2. 2 7s are, 2 10s are. Again 2. Can't divide the number 7, so directly write the number 7. 2 5s are. Next we have to choose 5. 5 1s are. Choose the number 7 1s are. Now multiply the values. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 47s are 280. So the LCM of 28 and 40 is 280. Okay. So we have to convert the denominator 28. So we have to multiply the fraction using the number 10. So 6 tens are 60. 28 tens are 280. Again we have to multiply the next fraction also, that is 40. We have to convert the denominator into 280. So using the number 7, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator. So what is the numerator value? 15 7s are 105 divided by 280. Now the denominators are same. So we have to compare the numerator. 60 by 280 and 105 by 280. So compare the numerator. 105 is a greater value. So which is greater actually? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 5. 8 is a greater value. Therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Next, division of fractions. This is also four methods we have. Division of whole number by a fraction, division of whole number by a mixed fraction, division of fraction by a whole number. Last one is division of a fraction by another fraction. The first one, division of whole number by a fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction, we multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. because we can't divide the number directly. So take the whole number value 3. Next we have to take the reciprocal of the given fraction. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? That is 2 by 1. Now the answer is 3 2s are 6, 6 by 1 6. Division of whole number by a fraction means we have to take a reciprocal of that a fraction. Then we have to multiply the values directly. Keeping the whole number same, we have to change a reciprocal of that given fraction. Then we have to multiply the values directly. Second one, division of whole number by a mixed fraction. First we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we have to multiply a given whole number with the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay. How can we write? First we have to write the 4 value directly. Then 4 divided by, convert the mixed fraction into improper. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 by 5. This is our question. We can't divide the value directly, no. So we have to change the value reciprocal of the given value. That is 4 into 5 by 12. 4 5s are 20 by 12. Okay. The next one. Division of a fraction by a whole number. The same procedure. Keeping the first fraction same only. Then we have to taking the reciprocal of the given value. That is 3 by 4 divided by, actually 3 by 1. Okay. So 3 by 4 into, what is the reciprocal of 3 by 1? 1 by 3. Now cancel the values, then directly write the value 1 by 4. The last one, division of a fraction by another fraction. You have to take this one is dividend, this one is divisor. Okay. To divide a fraction, that is dividend by a divisor, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of that divisor. So we have to take the dividend value directly. Then we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 7 by 2. Now multiply the numerator and denominators directly. 7 3s are 21, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the problems. Divide 12 divided by 3 by 4. That is divide whole number by a fraction. First we have to write the whole number directly 12. Then we have to multiply the value, means we have to take a reciprocal of the given value. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? That is 4 by 3. Now we have to use the cancellation method also. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. Now what is the answer? 4 into 4? 16. Okay. The next problem, 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1. Okay. Now we have to, keeping the first fraction same. Then we have to take a reciprocal of the given fraction. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 1? That is 1 by 2. Now multiply the numerator directly and the denominators also directly. 7 into 1, 7. 3 2s are 6. The next one, divide a mixed fraction by a fraction. First we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Divided by 8 by 3. Now we have to, keeping the first fraction same, then we have to take a reciprocal of the given divisor value. That is, actually what is the reciprocal of 8 by 3? 3 by 8. Now multiply the values directly. 7 3s are 21. 2 8s are 16. Actually what kind of fraction is this? This is improper fraction. So 16 1s are 16 plus 5 21 divided by 16. Okay. The last one, divide a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. First we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer is 11 by 5. Divided by 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Now we have to take reciprocal of the divisor. Directly write the dividend value 11 by 5. Next we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. 6 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 6. Now cancel the 5 5 value. Directly we have to write 11 by 6. This is also what kind of fraction? Improper. So we have to write the answer in a mixed fraction. 6 1s are 6. The balance is 5 by 6. That's all.